Discover how you can use the Shared Folder application within SecureTransport for your users to collaborate with each other with simple configurations. Contact Axway to get started today. Navigate to Application. Click on Add New to set up a new application. Configure the basic details. Select Shared Folder Application from the drop-down. Provide the shared folder location. Click to Create Application. To use the application, navigate to User Account and select the user. Click on Subscriptions. Select the Shared Folder Zone application. Click Subscribe. Now, let's verify the access. Log in to the secure web client. The Shared Folder Zone must be visible and ready for the partner to start collaboration. Click to check the content. The user is enabled to collaborate using Shared Folder.